In this video, we'll show you how to replace a gasket on a patented Easy Pour spout. Every Easy Pour spout comes with a flame arrestor, a gasket, a retainer ring, and a base cap. When installing a new gasket, start by placing your flame arrestor in the base of the spout. Then install the new gasket over the base of the spout and the flame arrestor, with the narrow side facing the top of the spout. Now take your retainer ring and slide it over the top of the spout until it is secure against the base. Make sure the cup goes over the gasket. Finally, take your base cap, slide it over the spout, and seat it firmly onto the base. Now your spout is back in action with a brand new gasket. For more information or to order any of our Easy Pour products, visit easypourspout.com.